when the vaccine was in the process and when the pandemic was at peak in India and we all were locked down in our homes, locked into our homes, everyone was praying for the arrival of vaccine as soon as possible. And India rolled out Covishield vaccine, the Oxford University AstraZeneca make, which is produced by Serum Institute of India, and Covaxin. These two vaccines against COVID-19 were first to be rolled out in India for the use of its population. First of all, the healthcare worker was given the preference to be given the vaccine, and now at present the frontline workers are being administered the vaccine against COVID-19. But in the due course of vaccination, it is noticed that mainly there are three types of people, or people react to the vaccination against COVID-19 in three ways. First is that those who readily want to take vaccination against COVID-19, they firmly believe in this vaccine, they firmly believe in the science of vaccine, and they are ready to take the vaccination, and they say, yes, given the opportunity to me, I shall take the vaccine against COVID-19. The second group of people is that I don't want to take the vaccine. I will not take vaccine. This is the second group of people. And the third group of people is that I am not going to take the vaccine now. Let me first observe how the vaccine reacts to the people's body, or how the body of people reacts to these vaccines which are introduced. This group of people are that you first take the vaccine, let me see how the vaccine does, and then I will take the vaccine. So I have told you, so I have narrated you three types of people, those who are at present in the population, the way they are reacting to vaccine. Today I am called to the nearest government health facility to get my second dose of Covishield vaccine against COVID-19 disease. So let me go to the nearest government health facility and check out how is the queue, whether the queue is long to get the vaccination, or I can just walk into the center and get the vaccination. I will bring you the report of my second dose of Covishield vaccine after I get my second dose of vaccination. Yes, I have taken my second dose of Covishield vaccine against COVID-19 in the government health facility. It has now crossed 4 days after I was vaccinated the second dose of Covishield vaccine, and I am fine. I am perfectly fine. I have no side effect. Yes, I want to tell you, when I received the first dose of Covishield vaccine, that is exactly around 28 days before, and you know, after getting the dose of vaccine against COVID-19, we are made to sit, or we are observed in a room for first 30 minutes after receiving the Covishield vaccine. Basically, after receiving the first dose of Covishield vaccine, as I was sitting in the observation room, I had noticed that exactly after 12 minutes of getting the vaccination, I had a feeling of nausea, a feeling of sensation of vomiting sensation, and I had mild pain at the injection site. That was after 12 minutes of receiving the first dose of vaccination. So after I came out from the observation, I just went and took a paracetamol tablet, and I had taken one antiemetic. And on the second night, on the second day, I had mild body ache and feverish. So I continued the paracetamol tablet for the next day also, and then I got well. But after the second dose of Covishield vaccine, I did not experience any of those minor side effects. It is explained by experts that when you get mild pain at the site of injection, if you are getting mild body pain, if you are getting mild feverish sensation after you have got the vaccine against COVID-19 disease, or if you have mild body aches, that means your immune system is kicking and your immune system is active, and that means your immune system is reacting well to this vaccine. So in a way it is told that when you have mild fever, when you have mild body ache, when you have mild headache, that means your body is reacting well, your immune system is reacting well to this vaccine. I have received both the doses of Covishield vaccine against COVID-19 disease, and I am confident, after hearing my experiences of getting vaccination against COVID-19 disease, many of you will be encouraged to get this vaccine whenever it is made available to you. Now the question is, what next after this vaccination? After getting even the 2 doses of vaccination against COVID-19 disease, we need to continue to wear mask. We need to continue to maintain social distancing. You and I need to continue to wash our hands regularly till the time when the majority of our population are vaccinated against COVID-19 disease, or till the time when the health authorities tell us that it is safe or safer now than before. So continue to bring regular updates regarding health and health related issues here in this channel. So if you want to get the latest regular updates, and if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.